some of
So
the most important factors are going to be knowing how many weeks it'll take your artist to complete one issue.
just for the artist or for everybody?
Just for the artist, because your artist is going to be your anchor, for better or for worse. Your artist will set the tone for the entire series. They are spending hours on one page.
Yeah.
And when you're spending that amount of time on one thing, the smallest interruption can really throw that off. So it takes hardcore dedication, and and that's why we try to accommodate the artist as much as we can, and build in some cushion time, um, and and we always tell them from the get go, like, being honest at the start is the best thing. Like, if don't tell me you're a 5 week person if you're a 6 week person.
Hmm.
All right, because then we're going to get to issue 3 and things are going to be running late. Just tell me you're a 6 week person, and then we can build the schedule accordingly, and things will work out. We'll get everything out on time.